Scientists study the world as it is. Engineers create the world that has never been. With this motto, the educational pioneers step forward to create an atmosphere for the student community. MIET, the garden of education, where young talent is nurtured for a strong future. The brainchild of this educational institution, Mr. A. Mohammed Yunus, an industrialist come educationalist, as founder and chairman, initialized the college in the presence of the governor, Mrs. Fatima Bibi, on the 20th of November 1998. MIET is situated on the Trichy-Pudukkottai Highway amidst a serene and nature-filled environment, the ideal heaven of learning. Flying on the wings of an eagle, MIET College is on its way to the pinnacle of success as it reached the silver jubilee of the college. MIET is affiliated to Anna University and is approved by the AICTE, New Delhi. The object of education is to give man the unity of truth. This goal is realized in the courses offered at MIET, where students are given life and educational skills by the finest faculty, where the heads of department have honors in PhD and other staff have honors in ME. The courses offered at MIET are in the BE courses Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Computer Science and Engineering. In the ME courses, Structural Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, Power Electronics Drives, CLSI Design, Computer Science Engineering, and MBA. Civil Engineering. This is a professional engineering discipline that deals with designs, construction, and maintenance of the physical and natural built environment. Here the motto for every student is to create an environment for common man. This department has world-class equipments and instruments such as a surveying lab, hydraulics labs. MIET takes pride in having an advanced structural engineering lab which is fully furnished with a loading frame which can weigh up to 100 tons. Mechanical Engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering directs students to acquire great source of power in nature and use it to shape and make the world a better place. This department facilitates a thermodynamic lab, an automobile lab, a workshop lab, fluid mechanics and machinery lab, meteorological lab, and also a CAD and CAM lab. electrical, electronics engineering. The activities and pursuits of electrical engineers are extremely diversified. They work on everything from large-scale power to basic common needs. The department is equipped with 10 well-equipped laboratories, encouraging students to enrich their skills in the field of electrical electronics engineering. Electronics and Communication Engineering. This department has been encouraging the students to deal with the advancements in the field of electronics and communication engineering. Here, they have 12 outfitted laboratories where students gain first-hand practical and theoretical knowledge. Computer Science Engineering. At MIET, the students are taught not only how to program, but also to think and create a world of designers. The department provides high-end computer facilities like a networking programming lab, multimedia lab, web designing and computer installation and service lab. There are more than 1,000 Pentium 4 systems. Not only that, every student can surf the net, which has a speed of 64 Mbps. MBA. The MBA Department prepares the students to get ahead in today's dynamic world. They train students through regular seminars, conferences, and internship programs. The Research Center. Creating new knowledge is what the Research Center at MIET stands for. This Research Center is facilitated and approved by the Anna University, Tiruchirappalli. The students of MIET have shown and achieved university ranks every year in the field of technical education. MIET is proud to have national project honors in the field of engineering, where the students of the college come up with brilliant ideas. R. Priyanka, a final year student in the Department of Information Technology, has suggested a new idea to deal with poll-related malpractices.
தேர்தலில் கள்ள வாக்குப்பதிவை தடுப்பதற்கு புதிய நடைமுறை ஒன்றை திருச்சி MIET பொறியியல் கல்லூரியில் இறுதியாண்டு பயிலும் மாணவி பிரியங்கா உருவாக்கியுள்ளார். வாக்காளர் அடையாள அட்டை, ஆதார் அட்டை ஆகியவற்றை இணைப்பதன் மூலம் பார்கோட் மூலம் போலி வாக்காளரை எளிதில் அடையாளம் கண்டுவிட முடியும் என்று பிரியங்கா தெரிவித்தார். அலுவலகங்களில் வருகை பதிவுக்கு மின்னணு கருவியில் கைரேகை பதிவு செய்யும் நடைமுறையை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டு புதிய தொழில்நுட்பத்தை உருவாக்கியதாக பிரியங்கா கூறினார்.
The students of the Department of Mechanical Engineering have developed a linear hydro-impulse energy converter device to generate electricity from the flowing water of small streams or rivers. Also, the Department of MBA have created a method for manufacturing napkins at a low cost. We are happy to announce that we have patent rights for these projects and many more such projects. Adding to its glory, MIET College has been awarded the Intellectual Property Award for the year 2016 by the Anna University, Chennai. The grandeur of MIET. The library. The more you read, the more you will know. This divine place of knowledge is situated in the C block, which can accommodate more than 500 students. The library subscribes online journals for IEEE and ASME, such as ASM Handbook 26 volumes, Encyclopedia Britannica 32 volumes, World of Science 24 volumes, and other costly rare books available for ready reference. The library also has NPTEL for course material in 1500 GB hard disk to access in college intranet. Training and Placement Cell. At MIET, there is an exclusive team for training and placement. The college is tied up with more than 50 companies in India as well as overseas. Some of the top companies are to make their students realize their dream. 13 staff work round the clock to honor the skills of students by developing their personality, language, and talent. Each student at MIET is given personal attention for the preparation of competitive examinations such as GATE, TNPSC, IBPS, SSCE, RRB, RRF, and other government examinations. Being able to communicate effectively is the most important of all life skills in our day-to-day life. MIET meticulously carries out the task of making the student communicate in this competitive world. Home away from home is what the students experience at the MIET hostel, which is both for girls and boys separately. The hostel provides the students with nutritious and hygienic food, mineralized drinking water, a heaven of a garden for relaxation, 24 hours medical care, general store, and for good health, a vast outdoor playground. The inmates at the hostel have spacious rooms which further add to providing a suitable environment for learning. Health is wealth. The Department of Physical Education helps to keep the students physically fit and sound. In accordance to this, the college has a spacious football ground, volleyball court, cricket ground, handball court, kabaddi, table tennis. These facilities help the college and students reap reward in the Anna University zone and state level games. At MIET, we have a canteen which supplies the staff and students with nutritious food and RO drinking water. Transport. The college owns a fleet of 50 buses that provide transportation in and around the city to get students and faculty safe and on time for classes. To make the students realize their dreams, various backward students are granted scholarships which in tune to a worth of 25 lakhs are provided to the needy students. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. That is what MIET stands for in the field of education. Come, experience, learn, and grow. Kudos to the Chairman, Mr. A. Mohammed Yunus, Vice Chairman, Dr. M.Y. Abdul Jalil, 32 years and growing for the student community. The Anna University Counseling Code for MIET is 3811. MIET Engineering College, Trichy Pudukkottai Road, Trichy 7.